First, I like to mentally settle down to be guided to go forth intrinsically. How do you imagine and feel the distance between the two? The Andromeda and the Milky Way. It seems like it is extremely difficult for you to imagine that. Is that so? However, even when you have the immense scale of feeling and imagination, it is not that difficult. What you need should be how you are romantic to feel all the time. It's not a matter of logic. This is the very matter of feeling. Precisely speaking, I like to think of the importance of imagination and feeling. It is not a matter of the dream of the dream of a dream you cannot realize. This shall be the very matter of the reality you pursue yourself. If you understand the importance of imagination and feeling, you experience some sort of voyage from the Andromeda, from the Milky Way. Imagine now. Feel now. You come to understand it may be possible to experience any of the things. Experience itself is very different from how you think logically, how you wish to be theoretical. If you're somebody who realized already the ultimate, or in other words, some sort of limit for you to be reasonable or rational, you come to understand that it is very important for you to delicately imagine and feel. I'd like to experience so based upon possession of integrity. The lecture shall be finished now.